Protective outer coverings provide long-lasting durability. Color-coded wires allow for easy installation. Manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. ACDelco Professional Pigtail Connectors are connectors ready to be spliced into vehicle harnesses, and are a high-quality replacement for many vehicles on the road today. These premium aftermarket replacement components are manufactured to meet your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. 2015 Buick Encore. Fit my Buick Encore but had to take off the gray plastic part to fit because bulb connector is in a 90-degree angle.